Hey you guys, it's Jason from SoCal Accessories. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install aftermarket front windshield, back window, and a roof on the new Polaris RZR200. We'll be showing you guys step by step on what we did to install this and what not to do. Alright you guys, so I bought this on this whole kit on Amazon. It was like $350, $400 after tax, somewhere around there. It comes with all the brackets and hardware you need to install it. For this back windshield, the way to put it in, don't try putting it from the top or putting it like this way and you're going to get it stuck here. So the way you put this back one in is you have to sit inside the cab, slide both seats forward, and you're going to put the windshield down in this area right here. When you put it down from there, you're going to slide it upward. So this piece right here sits on the inside. They tell you to put two pieces of foam, one on each side, which they don't touch right there anyways, but I'm guessing so if it were to touch, it could avoid like the rattling. You have 6 brackets for this back one, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on top. When you put this on, don't do what I did and start on top, because you need to put the roof with the same brackets. So you would tighten these 3 first if you want to start them. After that, you put the roof on, then tighten these 3 on top, which is going to hug the roof to the back windshield. On this piece right here, it just requires 1 bracket on each side and then 2 in the front. This front piece is going to bolt onto the windshield, so it's going to bolt them together. And then you have 3 brackets on each side. I also added foam right here just because on my Yamaha Viking that I have, the OEM roof came with like foam to add on top. I guess so like when you hit rough terrains, you don't hear like the vibration from this as much. So I just added that foam on the bottom end just in hopes that it does the same thing, even though this thing's for my daughter and it shouldn't drive anywhere as fast as that one at all. So next we're going to install the front windshield. The windshield, basically, it just has a rubber that goes on the bottom that you cut to length. This rubber down here. And then when you put this on up here, it's going to sit underneath the roof. So the roof's going to overlap that right there. Alright you guys, so honestly, the install is very easy on this. The hardest thing is actually just putting these little brackets on. They're kind of warped, so you need to push this in and you got to try and like squeeze it to actually get it to line up to start putting the lock washer and the nut on. Once you get it a few threads, then you can use a power tool. Once you get a few turns on there to tighten it up. It's an Allen 4 on top. Don't forget to use this little plastic washer on all of them that they give you. But it's an Allen 4 on this end and then a 10mm nut on the inside. So we have everything on right now. We're going to go ahead and tighten everything up. Right now it's just snug tight. When we put these on, we didn't want to tighten it up all the way because we had to push the window slightly upward to get these to line up. Or if you guys start it the other way, you guys can put these in first and then put these, well, have these brackets on and then line up the brackets afterwards. Either way works. If you put these on first, just don't put them too tight because you're going to have to lift it upward to line these up to each other. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys on how to install the front windshield, the back, and the roof on this little RZR200. If you guys want me to show step-by-steps later when we're probably going to add like a little light bar or something on here, just go ahead and like and subscribe to the video or to the channel. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching.